Hello, I'm Mark Scholaro, the owner of MS Classic Cars. Today we're going to be presenting you a magnificent 1973 Datsun 240Z LS Custom. This car is painted a beautiful Voodoo Blue. It has a custom interior with autometer gauges, Momo Competition steering wheel, roll cage, custom seats. Has a painted engine compartment that houses an LS engine with an estimated 400 horsepower. It's coupled to a 6-speed transmission, custom rear end, custom suspension, custom brakes. You got to check this vehicle out on our website. Full description, tons of photos, msclassiccars.com. This car is scheduled to go to the BARRETT Jackson auction, which is coming up in Las Vegas, Nevada, September 27th through the 29th. It's going to be selling on Friday, September 28th. The lot number is 423.1. I'm going to go ahead and start the car and let you listen to how beautiful and vicious it sounds.